Here's a quick condo market update for the month of July 2024. So in the month of July, the Victoria condo market yielded 204 sales. This marks a 5.6% increase from June and an 11% increase compared to July of last year, which had 183 sales. So while we are seeing some market resiliency and activity, sales remain far below the peak of spring 2021 when there was 4 consecutive months of over 300 sales in the condo category. Currently, months of inventory is sitting at 4, which indicates a balanced market. So there was 818 active listings in July, which is quite a bit higher than the 584 we had the same time last year. Buyers are doing a pretty good job of absorbing quality, well-priced product, while the overpriced and less desirable units will continue to sit on the market. So let's jump over to the condo stat dashboard on my website and look at pricing. Month of July, the median sales price for a condo in Greater Victoria came in at 525,000. This is trending quite a bit lower this month. This is due to about 9 or 10 sales of studios or micro units trading hands, which brought down the median. Still a healthy number of sales. Yeah, we've seen prices fluctuate between around 540, 555 in April, kind of, I guess, our peak spring market. And it's been trending downwards, but most of that's skewed by some of these Airbnb units actually selling. If we go down, I did a year-to-date median sale price. So this is over the last 7 years. We saw 2 bedrooms back in 2018 were generally trading around 450,000. We hit COVID. It peaked up. Those low interest rates and work from home culture really spurred people's buying mood. Peaked out about 625,000 in spring of 2022. And we've seen a little bit of a slide down, but nothing significant. Median 2 bedroom so far year to date selling for 590,000. We saw 2018, a typical 1 bedroom, 360,000. Today, 461,000. And for studios, yeah, they didn't have the sharp increase. Just the market size isn't there and the transaction volume. But today, so far year to date, typical median studio units trading for around 340,000. So if we go to the sales distribution, what price point are condos selling? We see the overwhelming majority, 400 to 500,000. That's the sweet spot for condos nowadays. That's typically going to get you a 1 bedroom unit in the core. The 500 to 600,000 price range also very popular. And then, yeah, really trails out over $1 million. There's probably less than 10 sales there, over $1 million. In terms of what you could expect to pay for a typical listing, the sale price to list price ratio came in this month at 98.1%, which indicates that buyers typically just purchase just below asking price. This is quite a bit different from spring market of 2022, when this ratio was able to sustain over 100% for 5 months in a row. Peaked actually at 105% in January 2022. So a typical buyer would pay up to 5% more than the asking price back in January 2022. So those dynamics have changed, also indicating much more balanced and maybe a healthier market for all market participants. However, it's really important to consult your realtor on a case-by-case basis, as these statistics don't reflect individual property dynamics. For example, in July, 24 condo purchases actually happened above the asking price. And it really ranged. Some exceeded the asking price by 25,000. I saw one at 75,000, even $100,000 over asking somebody bought a condo for. But the same thing's also true on the flip side. There's many purchases came in below asking price, 20,000, 30,000. Even saw sales happen 100,000, 125,000, and even a penthouse luxury unit this month even went $500,000 below asking price, $500,000. So yeah, those larger numbers tend to happen in the luxury price point. But it highlights the wide variety of differences between asking prices and market values on an individual basis. In terms of sale range, we saw condos sell from anywhere from 280,000 all the way up to just shy of 3.2 million this month. Average days of markets come in at 31 days. Just generally allows buyers more time to collect and do strata due diligence, make counter offers, negotiate a little bit. Of course, this is all property dependent. So that's all I have for you this month for the Victoria Condo Market edition of July. If you need some more personalized advice and strategy, feel free to give me a call, send me an email. My name is Dustin Miller, Managing Broker at 8X Real Estate.